Comparison of Galaxy S23 Ultra, Galaxy S22 Ultra and Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now we will talk about display type, display size, refresh rate, resolution, screen to body ratio, display PPI density, screen protection. Now we will talk about build quality, height, width, thickness, weight, water resistant, camera specifications. Rear camera Galaxy S23 Ultra, rear camera Galaxy S22 Ultra, rear camera Galaxy S21 Ultra, front camera, performance, chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, storage, RAM, memory, internal memory, battery, capacity, fast charging, wireless charging, sensors, connectivity, network, NFC, port type, headphone jack, price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.